Bigay siya flower na pasya dito.
Hi! Kylie! Pasyal-pasyal! Look, may Robinson pala dun, oh. Ay, galing na nga pala tayo.
Sa furniture. Or flying. What is this? Morning after.
The morning after.
What do they serve?
Ayun, tingnan mo yung menu.
Try the morning after.
Was that after the morning?
Try the morning after po, ma'am.
Should be evening.
Oh, look. May ano, oh. Smoked salmon. Big
Meron din
bread
po
pa.
kami mga group meals for sharing.
Look, ate, oh, di ba ganito yung kinakain mo? No, sige, Garrett. Parang Dennis. Ivy!
Back. This is walk muna.
Ano, you like it? Look, meron silang ano, truffle risotto.
They got steak.
Ganun, dito na tayo kakain. Katsu doon, kare-kare. Tulog ko si Kylie, nag-video.
Glad I wore the shoes, dude. Can't go out to get the pump.
Alright, side kick. That side, come on. Out in. Same side. Out in. Good push on your foot. Out in. And then out. Right leg forward. Set up the roundhouse. You mix. And you pass.
Gandang stroll to the dog.
Mas maganda daw yung stroller ng aso kaysa sa bata.
Alright, runners. Strike. Swing. And nothing. Extend your leg.
Ah, it's dog park.
Slide from behind. Lead and lead.
Guy, that's too.
And face this.
Yeah, mayaman.
Take the left.
Nakadress.